Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kayla. I am going to do a makeup look that's inspired by an Instagram photo I saw. I don't think I'm gonna pronounce this right, but the Instagram is dima.grinko.mua. This is the photo that I was inspired by. So I'll go ahead and put the link to their profile down below, and I hope you guys enjoy. The first thing I'm doing is starting with the eyes, and I'm going in with a little bit of LA Girl Pro Conceal, shade Peach. I'm using Peach because I have more of like a blue hue under my eyes, and the opposite of blue is orange, so this Peach helps to really cancel out the discoloration. I'm going into the top of the lid with my foundation, Armani Face Fabric in shade 2. Right now I'm going in with the Revlon Color Stay. I think it's the lightest shade. It's just translucent. I'm using this to just press in the foundation, and then it allows me to have a really nice smooth base. And the reason I'm starting with the eye is because this look is pretty dramatic. It's nice to be able to clean up around the eye and create nice sharp lines with makeup remover. Next, I'm going with my Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, light burnt orange color, and I'm mixing a little bit of this shade in with it as well. And that's gonna go the middle of the eye, right in between where the blue and the black, what's it called? Graphic liner is placed. Now I'm going in with the blue shade that is used in the graphic liner, Suva Beauty palette. The Hydra liners, you just mix a little bit of water on your pointed brush, dip it right into the color that you want. So right now, I just finished both these eyes, but I'm kind of evening each side out. It's always important to take a step back and just look at everything from a different perspective instead of really close up in the mirror. Okay, next I'm going in with the Stila Liquid Black Eyeliner in Intense Black. I'm going to align the outside of the blue and then create that wing shape, and then go in with a little more shadow and touch up. As you do the outline, you can kind of see where you need to fill in more blue space. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe palette again, and I'm using the black shade with a very small brush to start adding in the smoked out black section. As I was creating this eyeliner effect, I realized that this part was more sweeping like that rather than straight. I'm going to go in with makeup wipe and create that effect. Back in business. I'm still perfecting this eyeliner. As I am working, I'm working with my eye shape as well, and I have a hooded eye, especially towards the ends here. What I do is I always do my makeup like this, but then when I want to make sure it's a fierce wing, I have to look straight ahead and see the parts that are disconnected. I made an extra line to complete this wing, much more dramatic, but it's not so much. I'm gonna fix this side now. I'm going through smoking it out. It definitely takes a few tries, like it's not just one and done. We're smoked out with the black. Now I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette, and I'm gonna use blue shade right here to add on to that smoky effect. I switched over to a fluffy brush for this blue shade because I was getting impatient and I'm already just making this messy. I don't really care. I just want the pigment to come out, and then I'm just gonna use my makeup wipe and sharpen it up. Sometimes things look bad before they look good, and you just gotta go through the process, and it's okay. It's gonna be alright. Here's the most satisfying part of this whole thing. Ooh, looking clean and looking sharp on this side. Alright, now that we're sharpened up, we're going to go into the brows, and I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in 604 Milk shade. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer, and then using my fake lashes to apply on top, and I've coated those with white foundation. Let those dry and then press them together to fuse your lashes with the false lashes. While those dry, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner in the color Fishnet. Now for the rest of the skin, I'm going to go with the Armani Face Fabric. In this face chart, there's a pretty intense contour, so I'm going in with the Kevyn Aucoin contour palette, and I'm using the powder to start shadowing in those cheekbones. I have the white powder baking on my face now, any sort of translucent setting powder, or you could use a foundation powder to do that. And now I'm using the cream contour to start contouring my nose. Time to add a little bit of yellow to the contour, and I'm using the Beauty Electric palette. And then a slight shade of purple using the Huda Beauty Electric palette again. This is the Brow Flick from Glossier, and I'm using it in shade brown to create a faux freckle effect. Next is lining the lips, and we're doing a very exaggerated overline with the eyeliner from LA Girl in Cobalt. Then I'm going to fill in with some black eyeliner. The lighter blue shade is also from LA Girl, and it's called Tropical. And then we're going to blend these all together with some shadow. Using my finger, I'm using the Huda Beauty Electric palette, and I'm using the shimmer. Next, go in with black and then kind of do this. To make the lips smudgy looking, I'm taking a little bit of foundation on my brush and wisping out the edges. On a fluffy brush, and then blend the outside. Now the finishing touches. Alright, that completes my look. I hope you all enjoyed, and I learned a lot today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check back in next week for my next video. Thank you.